Two pieces of food were working out together. Suddenly, a violent storm swept in. The little cupcake was instantly washed into a pile of mush. Just a few minutes earlier, these foods had escaped from the grocery store. They had fought back with all kinds of tools and finally defeated the humans. At last, they had won their freedom. But right as they celebrated their victory, a torrential downpour came crashing down. Slices of bread were punched full of holes by the pounding raindrops. All the foods were terrified. Every moment, another one of them was losing its life. Seeing the horror, Miss Bread was scared out of her mind. A single raindrop was enough to completely dissolve her. In that critical moment, the Sausage Brothers stepped up. They shielded Miss Bread with a plastic container. That was the only thing that saved her life. They ran desperately, trying to survive. All the food scattered everywhere, frantically searching for shelter. In the chaos, peanuts were crushed underfoot. Glass bottles shattered into pieces. Just as they were about to reach safety, a huge wave surged in. It swept all the food straight into the water. Luckily, the Sausage Brothers and the bread hid inside the plastic box. That was the only reason they survived. Through the container, Miss Bread saw the devastation outside. She was horrified, but little Sausage Jack was incredibly brave. He jumped onto a floating bag. He managed to save a mango and a coconut. He carried them safely to shore. The candy's collection of teeth was swept to the beach. Kernels of corn were ripped off the cob, scattered everywhere. Just then, Mr. Orange came running. The candy thought he had come to save him, but to his shock, Mr. Orange snatched the teeth away instead. Meanwhile, inside the plastic container, Miss Bread was about to be sucked into the sewer. Just when everyone thought it was over, the Gum Warrior came charging in on an electric wheelchair. He pressed a button. The chair launched him into the air. He threw himself into the drain, blocking it with his own body. The food seized the chance. They climbed up his body to safety. At last, they escaped the danger. When Mr. Sausage reached the shore, he tried desperately to pull the gum back, but all he recovered was half of him. He carefully placed that half back into the wheelchair. Everyone was heartbroken over the Gum Warrior's sacrifice. The disaster had left a heavy scar on them all. Finally, the dark clouds broke. Sunlight poured over the land once more.